Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool review is going to be for a Vaco screwdriver. Never heard of this brand. Found this by scrolling on Amazon, and it is their 7-in-1 impact flip socket. Now that might look pretty familiar to you if you know about the Klein Tools 7-in-1 impact flip socket. Very similar, made in the same place. I can even tell by looking at the shafts, you know, the lettering and all the different things that are on here. They're all exactly the same. So they're made at the same exact place. So it's basically the Klein flip socket and a little bit different package, but it's a little bit cheaper package. So maybe you haven't got into the Klein Tools flip socket yet and you've been kind of wanting to. This might be the one that might be a go-to for you, because it's actually got a little bit better features than your standard 7-in-1 if you just buy that one. Now you could go up to the 20-in-1 that just came out, or buy the 14-in-1 adjustable and the flip socket and make it yourself like we used to. But now they offer this 20-in-1 impact that gives you the bit storage and then also the adjustable shaft, where you don't get the adjustable shaft or bit storage in the original Klein flip socket. But this one's by Vaco. Part number on this one is VAC 1070, and again 7-in-1 impact rated. There's the sizes. It's all the same as the original flip socket, and then there's some of the information there. If you want to pause it and take a look at that, you can do that. So what are the differences in it? Well, first of all, it's cost. This Vaco is going to run you $22 like it is. This Klein 7-in-1 flip socket, just the original one, is going to run you $29, so you're getting a little bit more expensive. And then going up to that 20-in-1 with the adjustable bit or adjustable handle, to where you can take, you know, this out. You can put in another flip socket shaft, or take the sockets off of this one, and you can adjust this handle, you know, to different depths and things like that. So you can do all that and get the bit storage for basically $40, or you buy this one for $29 and all you get is just a handle. It's not an adjustable shaft. It only goes in that one length right there. That's the only length that you can get with the shaft that comes with your flip socket. So you're kind of stuck with that length no matter what, if you need to go shorter, because sometimes this is a big screwdriver, so sometimes it's nice that you can take that shaft and scoot it down inside of here and make it a little bit shorter screwdriver if you need to. So that's the one good thing. So you're looking at $39, $29, or $22, and you get this handle here, which has some nice grip to it actually. It's got some kind of a, now all the yellow is real slick plastic, but this blue has got some grip to it for you to be able to grab a hold of. I do like the actual lettering on this Vaco or Vaco. I don't know how you pronounce this. Again, I've never heard of them before. I do like that a little bit better than that of the Klein. It's a lot easier to see. It is nice that the Klein has the colors, so you can also look at the colors and see what size it is. But I mean, the Vaco letters and stuff, which those might wear off faster, you can see the Klein, my little 1/2-inch one down here, and the 7/16. This is probably off an older shaft compared to this one. It's starting to wear off as well. So how long will these stay on there? I don't know. But here's the one thing: for $22, you're getting this flip socket, you're getting this handle. Maybe you like a Klein handle better, and maybe it's worth the $7 more. But with the Vaco, you do get the adjustable shaft, because you can put your shaft down inside and get all the way down to, again, that size screwdriver. That's the same kind of thing that you can do with this Klein handle here with the adjustable length, but you can't do that with your original length flip socket. So that's the difference really. So it's $5 to $7 more for the Klein, but maybe you just want the ability to have the adjustable handle. You don't care anything about the bit storage. I feel like the grip on this Vaco is probably as good as the Klein's. It's basically the same kind of a idea or premise behind it. You know, you got where the Klein is black, the Vaco is blue, and then the plastic is yellow, where this is kind of that acrylic yellow. This one might be a little bit easier to get dirtier, or maybe it might be easier to clean too. I'm not sure, but again, that's just the main difference between them. So I just thought, I saw this on Amazon, thought I'd share it with you in case you haven't got into the flip socket idea. And again, you can basically, if you haven't watched any of my other videos or have seen any of the million other videos out there, you can slide these on and off of this shaft. So then if I need a 7/16, I can take this off, put my 7/16 on there, or put my 1/2-inch on there. And then on top of that, with your 1/4 inch, you can also take and slide that all the way down and make it a magnetic nut driver, or you can pull it up part of the way, put a bit in it, and then now you've also got a way to put a bit. And again, these are impact rated, so they not only work in this handle, but you can also take this out and put it in your impact driver if you want to. So again, all the same things that we've said over and over again about the Klein, but maybe this is the first video you've watched and you didn't know the Klein was out there, or this Vaco. Again, I have no idea how it's pronounced. It's just another option out there, a little bit cheaper option. Maybe you just want to buy these. You can get just the shaft without a handle, period. Now the Klein's the cheapest version for that, because you can get that for $19.99. So that's the Vaco 1070. If anybody knows how you pronounce that, drop that down in the comments below. Again, I have no idea. 7-in-1 impact rated flip socket. It's got all those same sizes as the original flip socket, so it doesn't have that 9/16 like the new Klein flip socket option that they have, you know, where you can get that new 9/16 instead of that 11/32. So this one still has the 11/32 on it. So that's the Vaco. You guys let me know in the comments what you think about it. Anybody else have this? Know that it was out there. I just saw it scrolling on Amazon. It came up as one of those tool suggestions, and I thought I'd go ahead and give it a go, just to, you know, give you guys the information in case you're looking for a cheaper option to get into that flip socket package. But again, I hope it was useful in some ways. Hope it helps out. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.